This is a patient, 54-year-old man, and we did a hair transplant, 2,500 graft. Indication here is male pattern hair loss, 4 anterior, level 4 anterior. We grafted around here, and today is exactly 1 year, and we like to see our work. Here is there's a good coverage. The density and the angle direction is all placed correctly. This is all the hairline here. This is the patient. He's my good friend. Today I would like to ask him, how is the result after 1 year?
Whatever I spent for my hair transplant, to really this is worthwhile, and really I am happy, and now I can go anywhere. I am look younger than my age. I am 54, but I look like a 45. And now I am very happy from that to I do the transplant, and really appreciate it. Thank you, GLOJAS.